next day. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday. It's currently 3:42 in the morning. So I forgot to take a vlog kanina. So ngayon, as you can see, naka-helmet ako. Papunta kami ng Makilala. Ano muna kami, small vacation. So yeah, have a safe trip sa amin. So nag-stop over lang kami kasi hinihintay namin yung isang kasama namin. Magpagas pa kasi sila. So
okay lang daw. Amar po rin, kapitan dito sa Yangkwan. Nagano kaliguan dito daw.
good morning!
Nagano kaliguan dito.
The light is on! Good morning everybody! And we're here at Digos. Kumain muna kami. Ada katong ba itong PGTV? Hi! Good morning! Bagay good! We are already here. Rujud ang bukid. Oh my god, so refreshing. Good morning everybody. Hi guys, good evening. And it's currently 6:42 in the evening guys. So after namin dumating kanina ang 8:30 I guess. So wala na kaming ginawa kundi kumain, matulog, then after matulog gigising, kakain na naman kasi it's Friday guys, it's Holy Friday guys, so bawal gumalaw, like bawal magtrabaho, bawal gumala, like ganun, bawal, yeah. So tomorrow, it's Saturday tomorrow, pupunta kami ng Magpet para bumisita sa pinsan ko at para gumala na din. So bukas pwede na guys. So as you can see, kagising ko lang, yeah, kagising ko lang, chance. Nakakabagot pag walang trabaho guys, pretty lang. So plan ko later kasi parang matagal ako makakatulog nito is mag-edit ako ng vlog para makapag-upload na. So yeah, I will update you later. Hi guys, good morning. This is the next day. It's Saturday. It's Holy Saturday. So ayun, as you can see, nakabihis kami is because Pupunta na kami na mag-pet. Maliligo kami ng falls. And then, ayun, nakabihis ako. Then, this cute bag. Hiniram ko lang to sa pinsan ni LJ. So, let's go! Balong balungan falls. Busy mode. Hi guys, so we're here at Girapawan Plaza. We're waiting for stopover, waiting sa akong agaw kay i-guide mo nila kayo walang katuod sa dalan guys. We're already here. Hi sa isang vlog. Hi. Guys, we're going to Bolonganan Falls. And nag-prepare lang kami. Nice ang ilang mirror there in the side. We're here. Nice silahang salamin. Registration here. Free priceless. Okay guys, we are already here. Tanong bakta sa mi kadali. There's super raming tao. Oh my god, it's so nice. So nice. Ang raming tao guys. Oh my god guys, super lamig dito. Oh my god guys, super lamig dito. So nice. Pero dili ka diri maligo kay tugnaw jud kay siya diri. Tugnaw. Be, tugnaw. So lamig.
Ano kay lighting si Kuya?
Dito na ako muntiyan, Bi.
Tuyo mo ako na.
Okay, change location. Okay guys, change location na naman kami. Punta kami sa Hot Spring. 10,000 steps. Uy, kakapoy ba? Uy, hangak ba?